Okay guys, welcome back to
Not Financial Advice.
My name is Rico Robles,
Kristen?
and this is Now Philippines.
Isang magandang bagong Pilipinas sa ating lahat. Another episode ng Pilipinas Highlights kung saan makikita natin iba't ibang mga ginagawa ng ating mga political leader.